Welcome everyone to our next online SAP FICO configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to define maximum exchange rate difference per company code. So in this activity, we will define per company code a maximum difference exchange rate for posting in foreign currency. So let's try here. Go to transaction code SIMG, press enter, go to financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings, then global parameters for company code, then click on currencies here, and under maximum exchange rate difference, click here define maximum exchange rate difference per company code. So here is my company code 7075. I'll assign 10% here, press enter, click on save here, click on continue. Now we can see the maximum exchange rate difference has been assigned against my company code. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.